Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Whale accumulation paints bullish picture for XRP. XRP whales have taken advantage of the price decline recorded in the crypto market to fill up their bags. These large investors have been rapidly buying up the tokens and increasing the percentage of supply they hold. In the last month, the holdings of these large whales have seen a significant uptick, sending their cumulative total holdings to one of the highest it has ever been. Gobbling up the coins data from Sentiment shows that the holdings of XRP whales with 100,000 to 10 million coins on their balances have jumped more than 6% in the last 5 weeks. These whales had held around 11% of the total XRP supply in mid-November following the crash of the FTX crypto exchange. But since then, they have increased their holdings by millions. Presently, the total percentage of supply held by these large whales is hovering around 18%. The chart below shows a clear uptrend in the last month where the holdings of these whales have increased, especially those holding between 1 million to 10 million coins. The same trend is also seen among wallets holding above 10 million coins. These wallets now hold a larger majority of the total supply at 71.67%, up from the 70.8% recorded in mid-November. So in total, addresses holding 100,000 coins and above now command around 90% of the total XRP supply. Will XRP rally from here? XRP's price is currently moving in tandem with the crypto market, which is still feeling the effects of Wednesday's FOMC announcement. However, this clear accumulation trend among XRP whales could hint at a possible decoupling of the digital assets price from the broader crypto market, leading to a rally. With prices so low, a lot of investors are not looking to sell their coins, but rather are investing for the long term. If the available supply continues to go to investors who are long-term holders, then such demand could result in a supply squeeze. The Sentiment data also shows accumulation even among smaller addresses, so it is possible that XRP would test the 40 cents resistance level before the week is over. The low volatility associated with weekend markets could get in the way of XRP's rally, but it could also be a blessing in disguise to help the cryptocurrency hold any gains it may register between Thursday and Friday. XRP bears remain in control with SEC versus Ripple uncertainty influencing. It was another bearish XRP session, with recession fears and increased regulatory scrutiny weighing as investors await a pivotal SEC versus Ripple court ruling. On Thursday, XRP joined the broader crypto market in another bearish session, falling by 1.92% to end the day at $0.37834. A lack of progress in the SEC versus Ripple case left XRP in the hands of the Fed, the U.S. economic calendar, and the Nasdaq. The technical indicators are bearish, with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA, supporting a return to 35 cents. On Thursday, XRP fell by 1.92%. Following a 2.43% from Wednesday, XRP ended the day at $0.37834. XRP ended the day at sub-38 cents for the first time since November 22 and fell short of 39 cents for the first time in 3 sessions. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early morning high of $0.38629. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3956, XRP slid to a late afternoon low of $0.37391. XRP briefly fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.3757 before ending the day at $0.37834. U.S. economic indicators and the Nasdaq leave XRP in the red. Economic indicators from China and the U.S. weighed on investor sentiment throughout the session. Following the hawkish Fed rate hike on Wednesday, disappointing retail sales and industrial production figures from China and a fall in U.S. consumer spending reignited recession fears, leaving riskier assets in negative territory. There were no material updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case to distract investors from the U.S. economic calendar and regulatory chatter from the U.S. On Thursday, amicus curiae Paradigm Operations LP attorney Rodrigo Serra filed a motion to appear pro hack vice on behalf of his client. Following many amicus brief filings in favor of Ripple and the defendants, The motion had no XRP impact, with investors waiting for the next court date of December 22. On December 22, parties must file omnibus motions to seal all materials relating to the summary judgment motions and proposed redactions to such materials. However, investors are waiting for a court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs. Hopes of a settlement appear to be waning, with XRP on a downward trend since late November. It is unclear whether the collapse of FTX and the increased scrutiny from regulators and U.S. lawmakers will influence the court ruling and, ultimately, the outcome. Rumors of a conclusion to the case by Thursday also turned out to be just rumors. Earlier in the week, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson talked about rumors of a Thursday end to the SEC versus Ripple case. The source was unknown. Today, U.S. economic indicators and the Nasdaq could provide further direction late in the session. However, investor sentiment towards the SEC versus Ripple case and rulings and filings will remain the key driver. XRP holders' attorney Deaton dives into SEC versus Library case, files amicus brief supporting Library attorneys John E. Deaton and Bill Gannon have submitted a request to file an amicus brief on behalf of Naomi Brockwell in support of LBRY's motion to limit the remedies against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Defense lawyer James K. Phelan, whom Deaton thanks for offering guidance, was the first to share the request on Twitter yesterday. The 30-page document, tables included, with an amicus brief taking up only 8 pages, seen by the Crypto Basics, seeks to clarify the secondary sales of library credits, LBC. While the court, in a status conference on November 21, had urged the SEC to provide clarity on the secondary sales of the token in such a way that holders could continue to use it without fear of restrictions, the SEC had failed to do so, prompting LBRY's motion to limit the remedies against the SEC. Consequently, in support of LBRY's motion, the brief urges the court to make a ruling that permits the sale of LBC by individuals unaffiliated with Library. In addition, it urges decisions from the court to allow the consumptive use of LBC. Despite this court's strong recommendation to provide clarity, the SEC either disagrees or prefers regulatory uncertainty regarding secondary market transactions, Deaton and Gannon write. Therefore, any potential injunction issued by this court should expressly permit secondary market sales of LBC by persons unaffiliated with Library. Likewise, any potential injunctive relief should expressly allow the continued consumptive use of LBC. It bears mentioning that in early November, the court ruled in favor of the SEC's summary judgment motion, conceding that Library offered and sold unregistered securities in the form of LBC tokens. However, the extension of this ruling by the SEC to people like Naomi Brockwell, who has never bought or sold LBC but received it and used it for content on the platform from other users, would be harmful to consumers, argued the attorneys in the amicus brief. In support of their claims, Deaton and Gannon argue that even if Library offered and sold an investment contract, its impending dissolution nullifies such a contract. In addition, the lawyers highlight that the courts have never held that the underlying token of an investment contract alone constitutes security. Consequently, they assert that it would be problematic to do so here. The document discloses that the SEC did not object to the filing. If the court approves, the regulator will have 7 days to respond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.